Hey everybody, Brian here. Coffee with the Disability Guys. Okay, I recently rewatched part of Animal House, the great late 70s, early 80s comedy with John Belushi and Dan Aykroyd and the whole cast and character. And during that movie, there's a time where the fraternity that these guys are part of is put on double secret probation. It is a secret process that the college has and nobody seems to know about. And the reason I bring it up is because I'm dealing with somebody who either has watched the movie or has a very sick sense of humor at the New York State Workers' Compensation Board. I feel like I am on double secret probation. So recently, the board, in trying to improve its efficiency, has said, hey, attorneys, when you request a hearing in front of a judge, instead of filling out this one-page form we used to fill in and you check off the little boxes and sign it, we're going to do this electronically. Seems to make a lot of sense in this day and age. Unfortunately, what they have done is every single thing that you pick, you check a box, there's a drop down, you pick something and another drop down trying to explain why you're requesting a hearing, comes up with a different contingency. It does something different. So I made sure that both my office and myself, I attended 2 different trainings, I watched the videos, and I read everything you could that the Workers' Comp Board sent out. But it turns out there are a couple super secret things that they didn't tell anybody about. When I pick a certain type of, let's say, request that I have a medical report that says you hurt a part of your body that we didn't know about, and we submit it and we want to have a hearing. Well, what's going to happen now is when I pick all of that, a little thing drops down and says that I must wait 15 days, that I have to notify the insurance company. If they don't respond to me in 15 days, only then can I then proceed and click and submit the request for a hearing. So even though I have everything, I have to call the insurance company, I have to wait 15 days, and if I get no response, I then can request a hearing. Well, something else came up and said that, oh my God, you have to wait 24 hours. And then something else came up and said you have to wait 30 days. So I asked my team, what's going on here? How are we going to keep track of all this craziness? They don't know. So I reached out to the Workers' Compensation Board, and they were actually really, really good, and they responded. But here's what they said. Your email was forwarded to me. The information you are looking for is not on the website. However, I have compiled a list of timeframes from the business rules for your reference. So first off, I have no idea what business rules are. It must be super secret probation. Then they proceed to give me at least 5 different business rules. One of the rules actually says, by the way, depending on what you are doing in making your request, we'll change it from 31 calendar days or 20 calendar days or 15 calendar days. It is insanity. This was supposed to make things easier. I want to be able to get you a hearing in front of a judge. Statute, Section 20 says you have a right to a hearing. I fill out a form, I request a hearing. Unfortunately, there's now multiple additional layers of super secret things to do before I can even get into court to try to protect your rights. So that is what we're up against, but we're going to continue fighting it. So just remember, there's a lot of super secret probation going on out there. Be careful, know what you're doing, and have a great day.